How to fix Snapchat support code SS06. So you might be in the position where you try to log into your Snapchat account, but you land on this interface where it says that your access to Snapchat has been temporarily disabled. It might be due to the repeated attempts to log into your account. And it also might be because that you have done some activities that is against the community guidelines of Snapchat. In this case, the first thing you want to do is to wait for about 15 to 20 minutes. After that, you can again try log into your account. But if it doesn't work for you, then in the next step what you want to try doing is head over to your settings. Moving to apps. Tap on see all apps. So right here search for the application Snapchat and then head over to it. Tap on storage and cache. So right here you need to clear the cache and the storage of this application. So tap on clear cache and then tap on manage space. Click on delete. So clearing the cache will remove all of the unwanted bugs from this application and it will make your application run smoothly. It might also fix the issue that you have been facing. Once it is done, you can try log into your Snapchat account. If you are still facing the issue, then in the next step what you want to do is head over to your Play Store. In the search bar, search for Snapchat. Head over to this application. So right here instead of open, if it shows the option of update, then your application is not up to date. And it might be also the reason that you are facing the issue. So all you want to do is tap on update and update the application to the latest version and you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is simply how you can fix Snapchat support SS06 problem. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for staying with us till the end.